Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example on quadratic equations. So let us see how to solve this example. If k square plus 4k is equal to 45 and k is greater than 0, then what is the value of k plus 2? Now if you look at this given expression, it is a quadratic equation. So let me rearrange it and write it as k square plus 4k minus 45 is equal to 0. So I have got the 45 on this side, so it has turned into a minus 45. Now we have to think about factorizing this quadratic expression. So one thing you can think about is splitting the middle term method, where we are going to multiply the coefficient of the first term with the last term. So we get it as 1 times minus 45. So it is minus 45. Now we have to start thinking about the factors which will give you negative 45, which when multiplied, and when you add or subtract those factors, they should give you the middle term. So 45 I can think about is 9 and 5, because 9 times 5 is 45. And let us see, should we take both pluses, or should we take the combination of minus 9 minus 5, or we should take plus 9 and minus 5, or should we take minus 9 and plus 5? So out of these 4 combinations, we have to check which suits well. When we multiply, it should give minus 45, and when we should add or subtract them, it should give us plus 4. So here 9 times 5, it is plus 45. We can see that this is not in the option because we have to get minus 45. And in the second option, minus 9 times minus 5 gives you again plus 45, but we need minus 45. So again this is a wrong option. Now coming down to these two, plus 9 times minus 5 gives us minus 45. So this is fine. But we have to also check when we add or subtract them, we should get plus 4. So plus 9 minus 5 gives us plus 4. So this is the right option, because when we multiply them, it gives negative 45, and when we add them, it gives us plus 4. So I'm going to split the middle term using these factors now. So I can write it as k square plus 9k minus 5k minus 45 is equal to 0. So 4k is being split as 9k and minus 5k using these factors. The next step is to group them. So I'm going to group the first 2 terms and the next 2 terms. From the first 2 terms, I have to pull out the common terms. So I can see k is common in both the terms, so I'll take it out, and inside the bracket remains k plus 9. And in the next 2 terms, I can see minus 5 is common in both the terms. So I'll write minus 5, I'll pull it out, and inside the bracket remains k plus 9 equal to 0. Now again in these 2 terms, we can see k plus 9 is common. So I will pull out k plus 9 common out, and in another bracket we have k minus 5 as a factor equal to 0. Now let us start solving the factors independently. So we can take k plus 9 is equal to 0, and so k becomes equal to negative 9. And for the next one, it is k minus 5 is equal to 0. So k becomes equal to 5. So there are 2 values of k by solving this. Now in the question, they have clearly mentioned that k has to be greater than 0. That means k has to be a positive number. That means we have to discard the negative value and take only the positive value of k. And then we have to substitute in the given expression. So what is the value of k plus 2? Since k is positive, its positive value is 5. So k plus 2 becomes 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. So this is the value of k plus 2, which is 7. Hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video, and thank you for watching.